In this video, we listed the 5 best digital multimeter review on AliExpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Smart Digital Multimeter. The SZ02 multimeter manufactured by GACKey is a versatile electronic measuring device designed for electrical applications. It features a digital display capable of showing up to 9,999 counts, aiding in accurate readings of various parameters. This multimeter supports a wide range of measurements, including DC and AC current up to 10 A, DC voltage up to 999.9 volts, and AC voltage up to 999.9 volts. Additionally, it can measure capacitance ranging from 9.999 NF to 99.99 MF and resistance from 999.9 ohms to 99.99 ohms. The device operates in automatic mode and provides features like non-contact voltage, NCV, detection, temperature measurement, diode testing, frequency measurement, up to 1000 Hz, data retention capability, and zero fire line detection. With certifications such as, this multimeter ensures reliable and accurate electrical measurements. It is an essential tool for DIY electrical projects and comes from GACKey, a brand known for quality products. Number 2. Auto Range LCD Display Multimeter. The DT17 Newtons is a 35/6 automatic digital instrument known for its stable performance, high precision, and reliability. This battery-driven automatic digital multimeter features a 21mm high LCD display for clear readings, a 15-second delay backlight for added convenience, as well as high-pressure alarm and overload protection mechanisms. Capable of measuring DC voltage, AC voltage, DC current, AC current, resistance, capacitance, diode, temperature, and offering on-off testing, this instrument is designed for true RMS measurement, LED high-voltage output measurement, and frequency parameter analysis. With its superior performance, the DT17 Newtons series is an ideal tool for laboratory use. Number 3. BSIDE Professional Digital Multimeter. The BSIDE S10, A10, S11, S20 digital multimeter is a versatile smart device suitable for electrical DIY projects. It offers a wide range of functions including measuring DC and AC voltage up to 620 volts, capacitance up to 99.99 MF, and resistance up to 60 ohm. Operating modes include automatic and manual, with a 3.5-inch or 3.2-inch digital display for easy readings. This compact multimeter, measuring 147 × 85 4.2 mm, is certified with S and features various detection capabilities such as EMF, V-alert for non-contact voltage, live check, continuity, and more. The device is powered by different sources depending on the model, ranging from AAA batteries to built-in lithium batteries. With its reliable performance and comprehensive features, the BSIDE multimeter is a handy tool for various electrical tasks. Number 4. Mestek Clamp Meter DC, AC. This overview provides insights into a digital clamp meter product named Mestek. The product boasts excellent service, featuring a built-in magnet and an integrated LED indicator providing easy device access and visibility. It covers a range of functionalities such as AC/DC voltage and current measurements, resistance, capacitance, diode testing, and more. The CM83E model includes temperature measurement, 6000 counts, 600 AC/DC current, 600 volts AC/DC voltage, and features like true RMS and NCV detection. The product is showcased on AliExpress, ensuring safe payments, security, and buyer protection. Additionally, the overview highlights related items, customer reviews, payment methods, and information on analytics and sales statistics. Number 5. Smart Digital Multimeter 6000. The new 6000 counts digital multimeter is a versatile tool designed for various electrical measurements, with features like phase sequence and non-contact voltage detection, resistance, capacitance testing, and live detection. It offers stable performance, high precision, and clear readings with overload protection. This mini smart multimeter with a 6000 count display provides a range of functions such as diode testing, HZ measurement, and ambient temperature detection. It comes with automatic range selection, a clear HD color screen, on-off buzzer, data retention, flashlight, and automatic shutdown to enhance user experience. The product is lightweight, portable, and powered by 2 AAA batteries, making it suitable for both professional and DIY use. The accompanying accessories include a test line and a box for convenient storage and transport. The small shop offering the product promises excellent service, quality after-sales support, and encourages customers to reach out with any queries.